Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly Euro Yen, I still believe that we're in a big wave C, and I don't think this wave C is over. We almost certainly going to have some pullbacks along the way, but I do believe that it is going to continue the uptrend on these higher time frames, probably all the way up to about the 165 area to finish off what I think is a big A, three waves down for the B, and a wave C. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, as you can see, we are pulling back very strong right now, but on this time frame, the last structure level is way down there. We are not bouncing off of Fibonacci. We are not breaking structure, telling me that this move down is almost certainly a correction to the uptrend and that it will end up continuing up. So let's head down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I do have my Fibonacci retracement measuring this whole move up. It does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are now probably making a correction to the whole move up. This has definitely made three waves down, but I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it actually turned into a bigger correction. Did something like that, maybe go all the way down to the 50 or the 61.8 before it ends up continuing that uptrend. So let's take a look at that on the 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4 hour time frame, we do have three waves down. We have one wave, could be a wave A. This is a corrective wave up, probably a wave B. And as you can see, we are making lower lows, lower highs. We have a move up right here, but I do not think that this move down is over. I think it's going to go down more, probably at least down to one of these lower Fibonacci's. This level down here around the 143.7 area may actually be a likely place for this to end. A wave C, break structure to the upside, and end up continuing the uptrend. So until we see that structure break to the upside on around the 4 hour time frame, I'm going to continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. And if this turns into a much bigger correction like I was showing on the daily, we'll be looking for shorts anyways. So it definitely will not matter to us. So heading down to the 1 hour, just like I was just explaining, I do not think this move down is over. We already had a three-way pattern and a impulsive move down. I think we already had an entry to go short probably 3, 4, 5 hours ago, and probably most likely in the Asian session. So I do believe that we are trending down, so if we see any pullbacks, I'm still looking for short entries in the continuation of this down move, which could end up being a wave C, and I'm going to continue to look for shorts until I see a break of structure on the 4 hour time frame to the upside, and if it just continues to trend down, then we'll just continue to look for shorts, and it definitely will not matter to us if this wave C turns into a much bigger pattern. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.